Hello all, this is a short video on days of the week in Kannada. ವಾರದ ದಿನಗಳು. ವಾರದ ದಿನಗಳು means days of the week. Vara means week. Dina means day. Dinagalu means days. Let's see the days in Kannada. ಭಾನುವಾರ ಸಂಡೇ, ಸೋಮವಾರ ಮಂಡೇ, ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ, ಬುಧವಾರ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ, ಗುರುವಾರ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ, ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ, ಶನಿವಾರ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ. These are the days of the week in Kannada. ಭಾನುವಾರ, ಸೋಮವಾರ, ಮಂಗಳವಾರ, ಬುಧವಾರ, ಗುರುವಾರ, ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ, ಶನಿವಾರ. Now we have learnt Varada Dinagalu. We should also know the meaning of Hindina Dina and Mundina Dina. So what does Hindina Dina means? Hindina Dina means the day before. For example, Guruvarada Hindina Dina. Guruvara means Thursday. Hindina Dina means the day before. Guruvarada Hindina Dina is Budhavara, Wednesday. Okay, and now what is Mundina Dina? Mundina Dina means the next day. Somavarada Mundina Dina. Mondays, the next day of Monday is Mangalavara. Correct? So Hindina Dina means the day before and Mundina Dina means the next day. I have written the days of week in English so that it will give a clear understanding of days of week in Kannada. Make sure kids practice days by reading it in Kannada only. Thank you.